Hey guys, welcome to this video. Thought I might just give an update on what I'm doing right now. I finished creating my first website for my client. It's basically costs about 350 USD for the content, graphic, basic design, and just content importing over to the new website. So this is the website. It's vendorliving.com. It's a luxury condo region that's being developed. Some are being developed, some are complete developed, some are still in the process of being developed. But it's basically a group of units, single home units that are being sold pre-sale. So this is the website. You can go to summary, and we have like this. It's really basic. This is not, and this is like the YouTube video I uploaded for. Actually, I didn't make the video, but it's just there. So I did some copy for this. We have the gallery page where we have all the photos. So this is a super lean website. Only for 350 bucks, I basically made this entire website for it and did all the content importing. And the $350 includes the $165 Wix.com 1 year subscription. So I only get paid like half of 350. So yeah, so it's not something that I'm getting paid a lot of money for. So if I go to features, we have this. So basically what the previous website had, basically this as the pages. It didn't even have it in HTML. Google's not going to be able to read this. So at least now we have it in text, so Google can pick it up if it's good enough. Then let's go to site plan. These are the sold ones, for sale, coming soon. So I made the graphics for her. I didn't really add any anything to this page, but you can download this. Go to the brochure, download that, and I'm just going through all the pages. Then we have map, and yeah, we have map. This is what they have. I didn't make any changes to this. It's something like this. Then I linked the Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn pages. Floor plans. We have this. These are the floor plans. You can zoom in, look it up. It's good. And yeah, so if we go to contact us page, initially I did a contact form, but the client actually wanted to go to yukishi.com. So this website is from Lofty, which is a content management system specifically designed for realtors, and she has a CRM, or customer relation management system, through this contact form. So I did create one from Wix, but it was going to the Wix when someone entered their contact details. It was going to Wix.com instead of the CRM on Lofty.com. On this website, so I just directed the website to this page. So that's that. Yeah, so that's basically it. And yeah, I just wanted to showcase a website of what a website looks like, because I really worked hard for this website and I want to make it look good. I hope she sells some units. Right now I'm trying to work on content marketing. So I'm looking a lot of I'm looking at Tom's story. I just subscribed to him. I'm looking at like all the recent videos on real estate, especially if it's more to do with Canada, and even better if it's to do with BC. So I'm just going through a lot of real estate content, because so basically my next step is going to go to rue.ca. This is a Canadian real estate website. Go to the guide, and if I go to, let's say, so if I go to market, and then this February 20th, 2024, how to avoid heartbreak after you've fallen for a dream, or just how to negotiate better so that you sell your houses for higher prices, or negotiate better prices if you're buying one. So that's some basic tips. So I'm going to I read all this. I'm going to read a lot of similar articles and try to write something similar for my client's website, for yukishi.com's website, and get something done. And yeah, I really want to, because I'm trying to absorb myself with content and do content production. And then I'm going to write about 4 to 5 articles per month for my client, and I get paid on a retainer of $150 per month, not a lot. And then we're paying another $160 per month for the SEO service of another overseas Indian SEO company, because they do it cheaply, and they're gonna do the SEO. I tried hiring them as a content writer, and they gave us sample writing, and it was horrible because they just don't know what they're writing, because the facts are all jumbled up. Like my client's in Canada, and they literally wrote a blog article focused on the US market. So it's like useless. Like we can't post that on our website. So I have to go in and rue.ca is a Canadian website. So Canadian realtor, website about Canadian real estate. So we're going to focus on that, and hopefully this works out for us. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're going to how to avoid heartbreak. So we're going to get this going, create some content. I'm going so Lofty. You know, this is the website that my yukishi.com website is. Yeah, like we go to they don't have a pricing page because they do individual custom websites for everyone. But yeah, basically this yeah, it's really good. So this is a yeah. So I'm going to figure out the SEO and marketing system for this and Wix.com because those are the two website content management systems my client uses. And then I'm going to get better at that and hopefully be better at doing digital marketing for my clients. So hopefully this video has helped you guys understand what I'm going through and running my digital agency. I'm trying to do one thing at a time because this is still all new to me and I'm still trying to hone my business skills, which is really new to me. But I think I'm getting a little bit better at it as time goes on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope somebody helps. I hope you guys understood what it takes to make a cheap website on a budget. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Signing out. Happy go lucky in your business adventures. Peace.